Guys, it's probably cold outside. What? It's cold outside. Why are you saying this? 'Cause I just want to tell you it's cold outside. Okay, but is it snowing? I don't know. Come on, guys, let's go check. What? Why are we all going with you? Mario, my hat. Who cares? Mario, are you sure it's cold? Oh, yeah, I'm sure it's cold, see? Mario, we can't even see. How do you know? It's too dark. Yeah, I think it's snowing. Snowing? Yeah, there's a snowstorm! Shut up, Red Yoshi. I'm gonna go check it out. What? Where'd my hat go? Oh, whatever, I'm gonna go check out the snowstorm. Yeah, it's snowing. It's cold out here, too. Whoa, look at that. And it's Christmas, so there has to be snow. So, it says Christmas is Monday. That's pretty cool. So, yeah, there's a lot of snow. Actually, not a lot, but a little bit. Whatever. Whew, it's cold out here. I need to go back in the house. Where's Mario? He's coming. Oh, yeah, I see him. Was it cold out? Yeah, it was. Really? Yeah. Was it snowing? It was snowing. No way. Yeah. We're gonna get snow. Because Monday is Christmas, and if we didn't get snow, there'll be a snow this Christmas. True. But Mario, how's it already almost Christmas? Because whose phone went off? Well, anyway, because we already have our Christmas tree up. Yeah. So Christmas is magical. Yeah, Waluigi, it is. It's kind of stupid. What, Red Yoshi? It's kind of stupid. Not really that stupid. Can we go check out the snow? Yeah, sure. Go do whatever you want. Wait, why is your hat like that? I don't know. Okay, guys, let's go check out the snow. Okay. You guys better come back. Holy crap, it is snowing. Yeah, Marty was right. It's cold. Yeah, let's go back in the house. Where are they at? Was it cold out? Yes. Oh, it was cold, wasn't it? Yes, it was. Well, whose phone keeps going off? Jeez. So, anyway, that was fun. Snowstorm and damn, my hat fell off. Well, that was fun. The snowstorm. Yeah, it was. So, I'm just gonna go upstairs and play video games or something. Okay.